How is it going? So today we're gonna have a practicum from Medical Physics department. It is about the modeling of special senses organs. And here with me, Hanif Nadif as your tutor, we're gonna talk and discuss the introduction of the eye model practicum. Yeah, so ideally you will work with this Pasco eye model. So here it is a black container, and then there's a retina screen model. And also if you see here in the lens holder, there are a lot of crystalline lenses that you will work with. And also there's an adjustable focal length lens. This is the ideal scheme of the practicum. And this is the ideal scheme in the lab. So you're supposed to work with your friends in a group with the Pasco model, working together, following the instructions. And this is the other group as well. And usually there is me and Pak Satrio supervising you and also tutoring you. So whenever you have questions, we can answer it. But oops, Corona happens, so you couldn't go to the lab, and we couldn't do the practicum in the lab. So there's no Pascal model for you, and there's no lab work for you as well. So I was thinking, what should you do, and what should I do in the practicum? So I thought about the virtual or animated scheme kind of practicum. So you can work at home with this kind of virtual and animated thingy. So here we planned two types of practicum, one for regular students and the other one is for the international students. This is the front page of the animated practicum. So here this is the title of the practicum with the .ppsx format. So yep, so the practicum types are still the same with the practicum in the lab, so you don't need to worry about that. There are still 6 types of practicum, starting from eye accommodation, spherical aberration, myopia, hypermetropia, astigmatism, and until the aphakia. So how could you do this practicum? So here, first, you need to log into AMAS, and on AMAS, click the Berkas Unduhan section to download the mentioned two animation files. And as you can see, there's a P2 pemodelan pada organ Indera. Please take a look on that part as well. And open the file, of course, and follow the instructions. And the third step is when you already open the file, if you can see this blue button, click the button below to go to the next page. And just follow the upcoming steps basically in the animation. So you can go through all the quiz and all the experiments or the practicum steps. And the animation is equipped with directions and link buttons to facilitate your navigation, so it's supposedly easy to understand. And if you already complete all the virtual practicums, click the button below. Finish. Click here. And that's it. That's the practicum. It's, well, basically the animated practicum is self-explanatory, so you can just follow the instruction there. So if you have any questions or remarks or any confusing thoughts about this practicum, please feel free to ask me through these contacts. Thank you. See you next time.